Well, hello! Welcome back! Okay, so we're going to finish going over some of the worksheets that I brought to your house. Are you ready? Okay, get the next one. The next one's a fun one. This is what you're going to do with this one. You're going to use the spinner and you're going to spin a number. Miss Bourgeois did this one because you're going to have to lie this paper down flat on the table like this so the spinner will spin. Okay, so I did the first one already. I'm pretending that I landed on 16. And whenever you spin it and you land on that number is going to go here in the middle. So when you spin again and it lands maybe on 17, it goes here first. Then what you're going to do is count back from that number you had just landed on, and then you're going to count on or forward. So I landed on 16, so I wrote 16, and then you're going to count backwards. 16, 15, 14. Then you're going to start at 16 again and count forwards or on. 16, 17, 18. Okay, finish the rest for me. Look at the next worksheet. This one is called Bug Hunt. Okay, you see the words at the bottom. You're going to cut the words out and you're going to first put them in order so it makes a complete sentence. Once you have that complete sentence, then you're going to glue it here on the line. Let's go over the words. To hunt, I, bugs. Oh, there's a clue. The period we know goes at the end of the sentence. So bugs has the period. Then we have for and like. Rearrange the words and make a complete sentence about the picture. Okay. For this next one, it's spring edition. You're going to add 3 plus 1 and color the correct answer. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So you're going to get your crayon and color in the 4. Over here we have 4 plus 2 is 6. So color in the 6. Finish this paper. This next one is similar to the one we just looked at. This one's about flying kites. So we have the words at the bottom. Remember to cut them out. Place them in the correct order, then read it. If it doesn't make sense, rearrange the words until it makes a complete sentence. The high. Oh, there's the period, so I know this word's going to be last. High, then we have is flying kite. See if you can make a complete sentence. This next one is making 10. Count the bugs. How many more do you need to make 10? And write the addition fact. So you have 6 plus, how many? Equal 10. 4 plus, look at all the ones without bugs. 4 plus how many more is going to equal to 10? You may count the missing bugs that are not here. Count the blanks, and that's going to give you the answer. Finish this page. Remember, whenever you need help, you may text Miss Bourgeois. You may call me. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Oh, I like this one. Up here we have a word bank. It has 4 words. We have big, little, need, and looking. You're going to read the sentence and figure out which word at the top is missing, and it has to make sense. Look at the picture. It's helping us. I caught a little bug. So when you write the word little in the blank, you may scratch the word little off your list. So now you have 3 more words. Make sure it makes sense. Don't just put anyone in there. Needs to make sense. Okay, look at our next one. This one is the number bonds. Look how they did their number bonds. Remember, we had 3 circles. They have 2 flowers at the top, and then on the flower pot, they have the number 10. So they're trying to write an addition number bond. So 4 plus what will give me 10? I will give you a clue. If you take the number that's on the flower pot and subtract the number that you see on the flower, it's going to give you this number. So 10 take away 4 is equal to 6. And guess what? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. I just gave you a hint. So subtract. 10 take away 9. Put the answer here. 10 take away 10. Put the answer here. I think you got it. Try it. Okay, look at the next page. Skip counting by 5. So we're going to start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We're not used to counting by 5s. We're used to counting by 10. So this one might be a little harder. That's why I just helped you out. Replay this video so you'll understand what Miss Bourgeois was saying, okay? You can always stop the video. Okay, this next one is fun. You're going to take a crayon or a marker, whatever you have at your house, which you should have some crayons that I bought you. And what you're going to do is you're going to color the bugs in the number order from 1 to 50. So this is kind of cool. And look where finish is. So you're going to start up here where it says start and color 1. I'm going to do it really fast so it's not going to be too pretty. 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? Does 6 come after 3? No. We know that 4 comes after 3. So we're going to have to find 4. And look how they're doing it here. They're going to go backwards a little bit. So 4. Then we have 5. Then 6. And you got it. You're going to keep counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look where they went from 11. They went up. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then they're coming down. 19, 20. So you're going to keep moving here throughout this maze until you get to 50. Got it? I think this one's fun. Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh, this one you're supposed to have a dice, but don't worry, or a die. Don't worry if you don't. But what you can do is color this crayon blue, color this crayon red, color this one yellow, color this one green, and color this one orange. Then what you can do is trace your words, your sight words, in that color. Let me read the sight words. We have not, one, yellow, you, be, see, the, into, like, do, we, where, on, our, he, all, am, are, at, ate, black, brown, but, came, did, eat, for, get, good, and have. So these are sight words. Looking at this next one also has sight words, and you may do the same by coloring the crayons, and then you may write the words in that color if you want. The first one is away, big, blue, can, come, find, for, funny, go, help, in, is, it, jump, little, and, look, make, me, my, down, play, red, run, said, here, 3, 2, 2. This one means the number word 2, and up. Let's look at our next one. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. If you need help, you remember to always call. This one's a fun one. It says color by subtraction. So 6 take away 4 is equal to, think, is equal to 2. So you're going to color this one yellow. If you need to, start off coloring these crayons. And whatever the answer is, you're going to color that part of the picture that color. So if 6 take away 4 is equal to 2, 2 is yellow. So you color this one yellow. 8 take away 3 is equal to 5. So find 5. What color is 5? Blue. So this part will be blue. Got it? Use this down here to help you. All right, let's move on. This one is called the Bug Hunter. I'm going to help you with the words. Use the words in the box to label the picture. So whatever it's pointing to, it wants us to label it, okay? So this one really is both of these words. So we're looking for 2 words that you've used in the classroom. It's called a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. So you're going to put magnifying and glass. Okay? We have the word worm, shovel, bug jar. So you label the next ones, okay? Let's move on quickly. This next one is spring subtraction. What is 8 take away 3? If you don't know, you're going to color the pictures and then put an X on that many. The number, it says take away that many. So watch. We have 8 up here. I'm just going to put an X on 3 of them. Let me see if I can get my marker. You can see it better. Okay, ready? So we have 8 flowers, but first color the pictures to make it look prettier. Take away 3 of them. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. How much are you left with? You're left with 5. So 8 take away 3 is equal to 5. Do the rest of the ones that you have on this page. Okay, this next one is watering plants. Remember when we planted some seeds and they grew? And we planted that whole kernel of corn in November and it grew? That was so cool. Okay, so this one says flower pot, flower, bug, and watering can. Okay, I think you can do this one on your own. Good luck. Color by addition, the same as we did just a while ago with the subtraction. So you're going to look down here. If you get an answer and the answer is 1 or the sum is 1, you're going to color it pink. Okay? If your answer is number 2, you're going to color it blue. Got it? So first come up here and you do that. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So you're going to color that part of her hair brown or color her hair brown. You don't just color right here. You're going to color all of her hair brown. Her whole shirt is going to be colored with this one. Okay, let's move on. We're almost finished. This one is butterflies. Remember, like you did last time, I want you to look at the words at the bottom. Put them in the correct order to make a sentence. I will read them for you because some of them are hard. We have the word the, colorful, at, butterflies. Ooh, that's an exclamation mark. We know that goes at the end of the sentence and they read with expression. And then we have the word look. And I will give you another clue. The L is capitalized. We know that every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a mark. Okay, move on. This next one is bug addition. I think you can do it, but if you need help, you can use the little ladybugs at the bottom to help you. Color them, cut them out, and you can do 4. So use 4 ladybugs plus 3. Then use 3 more ladybugs. And then count how many ladybugs you have in all. And that's going to give you the sum or your answer. So use the ladybugs at the bottom as your counters. Okay. This next one is digraphs. Color the matching digraph. Trace and finish the word. So let's look. We have shell, shell. What 2 letters make the sh? It's this one. So of course you're not going to color dark, dark, dark black. You're going to use a light color, color it, and then write the S and the H, and then trace over the rest of the word. I'm going to go over the pictures. We have thumb, whistle, whale, cheese. This one is pointing to the thorn. Thorn. This is a ship, and this one is chick. Spring graphing. This is always fun. You're going to color these at the bottom, cut them out, and then place them next to the same picture to make a graph. You can glue them on here. Once they're on here, you're going to read the sentence and figure out the correct answer. It says, there are more blank than any other object. Well, we don't know yet because we didn't make our graph. And then it says there are the same number of blank as blank. We don't know yet either because we haven't filled in the graph. Use the pictures at the bottom and glue them where they belong, and you will have your completed graph. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is some more sight words. Remember to use the colors that you have up here. You may write your words with those colors. Look at the first word. We have must, new, no, now, and under, out, please, pretty, ran, white, say, she, so, soon, yes, ride, saw, who, will, with, that, there, they, this, to, want, was, well, went, and what. Okay, write them correctly and then say them. Read them, read them, read them. This next one is spring measurement. This is fun. You're going to use the flowers, cut them out, and you're going to put them side by side to see how many flowers it takes to measure the length of the ladybug. Okay, and the birdhouse, the kite, how long is it? How many flowers will it take? So fill in the line from bottom to top and write the correct number of flowers. Do that for each object. This one is the number match and write. So you're going to cut out the 10 frames at the bottom. You're going to trace over 1. You're going to find the 10 frame that only has 1, and you're going to glue it here and then write the number word. Got it? Got it, Miss Bourgeois. Okay, let's keep going. The 2D shape attributes. Remember, we hope you're falling. Let me push you back. Sorry. Don't know what happened. Okay, so here we go. We have the square. We have the word square. I want you to tell me how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me give you a clue. The sides and the corners will match because it's the same. Okay, sides and corners match. Let's look here. The same thing that you did earlier. You're going to put the correct 10 frame by the correct numeral. You're going to glue it here. Remember to get your pencil and trace the numeral and trace the number word. Bug patterns. This is always fun. It says cut and glue to complete the ABAB pattern. So use the little bugs at the bottom. And you're going to put them here, but it has to be the one that comes next. You have this bug, then this one, this bug, then this one, this bug, then you have to find the one that looks like that one and glue it here to finish the pattern. A pattern repeats itself. Number maze 1 to 30. Color the flowers in number order from 1 to 30, just like we did the other one from 1 to 50. Remember, start off 1, color, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going until you get to the number 30. I think we have maybe one more page. Oh, yeah. You might have another one after this one. I added one to yours. Color the flower with the correct digraph sound. Cheese. Cheese. Thumb. Thumb. Good job. This one is a throne. Throne. Shell. Shark. And chair. Okay, well, guess what? That completes all of your work. I hope you're going to have fun. I love you all and miss you. Mwah. I will see you later, okay? Bye.